Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy J Vibe TV here with another video. You already know. Today talking about the basically the PS5, or if you have PS4. When you're dealing with streaming and things like that, a lot of us use different programs and things like that. I happen to use Streamlabs, and I happen to use Remote Play. As you see, as we're playing a game and recording, for some reason right here at the top, you see it has Remote Play connected. But on the screen, it shouldn't have that. So I'm just like trying to record gameplay, and it's becoming a pain in the, you know what I'm saying, trying to do this and get the best quality and also have that pestful watermark right there at the top. So if anybody knows how to, remove this, or, have, like maybe it's something I'm not pushing on there to actually have it removed or something like that, I have no idea. I pretty much tried everything. So if anybody knows how to fix this any kind of way, can you please comment below? Maybe, like I said, maybe it's something small that I'm not paying attention to. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Until the next video, peace.